Hi guys, let's make today what? Spanish biryani. That's called paella. Well, I call it Spanish biryani because it takes the ingredients of it's like biryani but with different ingredients, but it will look like same, and that's much easier to cook. Let's do it, and it's healthy. So the ingredients for chicken paella is obviously chicken. You can cook different types of paella. Okay, there are with prawns you can cook, with shrimps you can cook, uh, with caracolas you can cook. There are different types of paella. And that's with gamba y almeja, shrimps and prawns. It's delicious. It's delicious. Y mejillones también. Mi persona técnica dice yo olvido mejillones. Bueno, well, and so look at the ingredients. I am taking 500 grams of chicken, 1 cup of peas. Okay, this is pimiento in español, pero bueno, pimiento. This is for capsicum. Capsicum, there are two types of capsicum. One is like this, and the other, this is long one. I prefer this one. Okay, medium cebolla, half cebolla, not medium. Okay, olive aceite, olive oil. Okay. Pimiento rojo con ¿cómo? Asado de tira. Esa está buena también. Mira, look at this. Yeah, this. If you don't like, you can use any other. If you don't like the mercadona, ¿vale? I am using this Asafran for giving a bit of color. Okay, and this is a special type of rice. Not special, but this is just rice used for paella. The marca brillante. I'm using the marca brillante. Vale? These are much shorter but much thicker, not like other basmati. But you can, if you don't have this, you can try having basmati, and well, that's good too. Have a try. Okay, so let's make it. Let's cut it down all the ingredients and let's begin. Yo, not finely chopped, but that will do. Yeah. Now finely chopped garlic comes. Yeah. One garlic is enough, not much. Okay. It should be finely chopped. Finely chopped. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do it. Yeah. Now we go to tomatoes. Tomatoes have to be matured, right? With a little bit of soft because we want to make it paste with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, trabajo. Venga. Take care with your fingers or you will get cut. This is done. It looks actually like this. Okay. Next step is to fry the chicken. So what we are going? So fry only with some salt. Some salt according to your taste, right? And then mix it up. Mix it until the salt is mixed with all the pieces. Okay. Okay. So now let's get to fry the chicken. So now we are frying the chicken. So look at that down. This is a bit of white, right? So it should be a bit of cooked, a bit of brownish. That looks very good for everything. Okay. So that should be the chicken. Should be fried perfectly. Okay. So now let's flip the chicken. Let's see if it's full. Yeah, it's perfectly cooked on one side. Let's flip the chicken, but take care of the blood because it's for keep the oil on your body. Okay? I hope you don't like this one. Like look at this blood coming out. Oh, so now hold on. Just put that out. Let's let it down a bit. You can that much fast. That's much easier. Now this is done. Yeah, this is done. Now this is the center one. This is done. Okay, this is done. This is good. Now this one, yeah, cut it out. Now let's, yeah, because everything is good, right? Yeah. The other side of the chicken to get cooked. That's around 2 to 3 minutes or 4 minutes. I think 2 to 3 minutes is enough. Okay, it's good. Now goes in paste of tomato. Like good. Yeah. And mix it to get cooked very nicely. Well, this is tomato paste, so it's in the pan. Now goes in the fried chicken. Okay, yeah. You can put it like this if you want. But take care the oil don't spill on you. Okay, yeah. Now this is done. Chicken I will move a bit. I will use some cloth to not to get heat, not to get burn my hand. Oh my God. Okay, so now, well, you people know, those who know how to cook. 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. 1:2 ratio. 1:2 ratio. Okay, so if I take 2 cups of rice, I have to take 4 cups of water. Okay, so I'll put rice now. Okay. Now I put 2 cups of rice. Okay, so now I'm going to put. For now, I'm going to put 1 cup of water. And again, another cup of water. Yeah. Yeah. For now, 2 cups of water. That's 2 cups of water. And now 3. And that's the last one. 4. Okay. So, after adding 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water, I will add salt. Okay. Salt. So let's add some salt. And now we are going to add this powder, which se llama aquí gallina blanca ave crema. ¿Vale? Eso vende en Mercadona. Si, this is want to. Sorry for my Spanish because I am living in Malaga, so I don't remember that I'm in Malaga. So okay. So let's put it that way. Ta, 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 ta. Yes, so look at this how this is. Look at this. This is like a sweet we usually used to eat. So partir, cut it, squeeze it, la polvo, like powder. Alright. Okay, so now everything, yeah. So now the powder is done. Yeah. I'll wash my hands. Let's move. Look at the delicious how it looks. Wow. Wash the gas on medium. Mix with the powder. Now I'm going to add a little bit of saffron for your yellow color. Where is it? Ah, okay, got it. This is also sold in Macarona. In Kesar, we say in India, but this is Asafran, and then now I'm going to do it. Ta 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 ta. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. A pinch. It's like a pinch. Pinch of what? So now I'm going to add oil. Okay. Now it's added. I will move it a bit. It smells so nice. Chicken, and I love this paella. I love this paella. And the more delicious is the other one, the prawns. Prawns mayonnaise. The the black what you can say, black shrimps of this much size with all those three combinations. Wow, that's absolutely delicious. Yeah. So in couple of days I will be making some Indian dishes also. So stay tuned for the channel and subscribe to my channel. Oh, that's my alarm. Oh, sorry. So let's wait for the so watch so that rice doesn't stick at the bottom pan. And yeah, just you have to watch it. It's like looking at watchman after looking after the building, but later it's the delicious thing that you will eat, and a healthier one. Okay, let's do it. Now you can see it's almost done. It's almost done. Wow, awesome. You have to move it until it's done, because if you don't, then the rice will stick to the pan, and then you have to wash the pan. Okay, it's almost done. You can see that. Look how delicious it is. Look. Wow. Awesome. So now it's almost done. Now let's prepare some decoration stuff. Okay, so this is pimienta roja. Okay, this is red capsicum, which is cooked in different way. It's ready to have some decoration like this. Uno, dos. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's. Oh, I'm not much good in decoration, but I'm trying my best, bro. Hope you all like it. Well, I know in India we cannot do paella, but we can use some different spices and make a different style, you know. Well, that would be called a biryani, you know. That's not a paella, but a pulao, you know. I love it. I love it. Well, I'm a biryani fan right now. So now, I see. Keep it remote like this for decoration purposes. Or like this. Well, now we cover it, keeping that's too hot. Just cover it a bit, keeping the flame low so that it gets more cooked and more soft. And we turn off the flame. Yeah, it's almost done. Just we need some 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and we are done. So this is paella. Give it a try and subscribe my channel.